Teclast F5R laptop equipped with 360 Hinge. Teclast F5R can be switched among 6 versatile modes, including tablet, laptop, stand, tent, portable and drawer modes. Teclast F5R laptop packed with 11.6-inch FHD IPS touch display, bringing your photos and videos to life. The powerful Windows 10 operating system makes it easy to check email and manage digital files. Teclast F5R laptop powered by Intel APLLO Lake N3450 processor ensures high performance. Designed with HDMI output, allows you to connect it to monitors, TV or projectors, perfect for creating your personal home theater. Decent camera for capturing memorable moments and high-quality pictures. Teclast F5R laptop dual-band 2.4 GHz, 5.0 GHz Wi-Fi supported. Ensures you high-speed surfing.